Now available for the Cascade DAC, MSB Technology's Foot Delete Kit makes it easier to use your desired chassis isolators without sacrificing your Cascade DAC's aesthetic. The Foot Delete Kit is a simple and stylish way of removing the existing viton feet from your Cascade chassis to better accommodate the use of any freestanding isolators. The Foot Delete Kit comes with 4 stainless foot blanks and the required number 14 spanner-style bit. To remove the standard viton foot that ships with the Cascade DAC, you will need a 1/4-inch bit driver and a pair of needle nose pliers. Start by flipping the unit over onto a soft surface or work pad and use a pair of needle nose pliers to pinch and roll the black viton ball out of the tip of the foot. Then use a 1/4-inch driver with the supplied number 14 spanner bit to remove the viton foot using the points inside of the cavity at the tip of the foot. Once the standard viton foot has been removed, use the same spanner bit to install and tighten the 4 included stainless foot blanks. With the 4 foot blanks installed on your unit, place the chassis back into your system on top of your isolators and then make any adjustments to position the isolators in the desired location under the Cascade chassis. To order your Foot Delete Kit, contact your local dealer today. If you have any questions or want to share your experience, come join the MSB community on our forum at the link in the description. And as always, enjoy the music.